Welcome to Digital Twin for design and operation of data centers. What is Digital Twin? Digital Twin is a physics-based virtual replica of the physical data center. To get a better understanding, let's walk through a digital twin. On the surface, Digital Twin looks similar to what you would see in a DSIM tool. It represents every infrastructural and IT device, it depicts their configuration in 3D space, it can be searched for a device to view its attributes and performance. But what sets Digital Twin apart from DSIM is its ability to mimic the physical operation of the data center through simulation. This is interesting, but why should data center operators care? Because while the goals of data center operations are clear, actual performance of the typical data center is alarmingly bad. 74% of operators are mostly dissatisfied with the time it takes to plan data center changes. The typical data center struggles continuously with compliance problems. And the typical data center will overrun its total budget by 62%. Given the costs and risks involved, why is typical data center performance still such a big problem? It's because in data center operations today, these performance measures are overlooked until after plans are implemented. Performance is an afterthought of operations as opposed to a driver. To illustrate, here is a typical operating scenario. 3 high-density IT devices have to be installed. Under current practices, such as those based on DSIM tools, simple guidelines are the basis for planning. DSIM lacks the functionality needed to evaluate plans for environmental compliance or efficiency. Performance is rendered an afterthought. This approach all but ensures that performance problems are passed directly into live operations, where it is orders of magnitude more costly and risky to address them. This is not how data centers should be run. Let's go back to the planning stage, but this time using Digital Twin. Unlike DSIM, Digital Twin simulates the data center's physical operation. This enables performance to be accounted for in the planning stage. In our example, this plan is efficient but fails environmental compliance. Digital Twin allows us to easily modify the plan. This version of the plan is compliant, but inefficient. And this version of the plan is both compliant and efficient. Digital Twin helps data center operations to be driven by performance. This reduces environmental compliance risk and enables more IT on less infrastructure. To learn more about Digital Twin, please visit futurefacilities.com.